What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on a new coin that just launched about half an hour ago. So it's fresh out of the oven, which I wanted to cover because it launched via Decubate. I'm partnered with Decubate in general. I think that's one of the best launch pads out there, and they have done, and this one as well, they have done a lot of profitable launches. All right, so I think in general there are opportunities with this coin. It's called Orbital7, so I just wanted to make a very quick video kind of going over the launch, going over the project and things I'm looking at to potentially enter or buy this coin and where the potential lays, all right? So let's get right into it. So Decubate itself, it's a launch pad, all right? So I'll leave some links to them down in the description if you want to participate in new IDOs or new launches via their platform. They've done quite a bit. I covered a couple of them as well, Sakuru, Storyfire, for example, which at the top did a 7.5x and a 3x. And at this moment, the last one, Orbital7, raised $275,000 from their platform. So from users, that is, from investors, which they allow you to buy in at a lower price. And it's currently sitting at, I think, a 3x, all right? This is a bit outdated, but at a 3x, which is a relatively good start. But if you look at the past, and you look at all these all-time highs ROIs, you can see that most of them have done very, very well. Like ORBI did a 7x, an 8x, a 28x you have here. So that means that there's potential, all right? Because right now we are at a 3x, where the potential and the average all-time high ROI, I think, lays much, much higher. Now, I mean, we must be honest, the market circumstances at this point of time are not ideal. So I'm not telling you to just instantly buy ORBI as fast as you can, but I do think you need to know about it. All right, so right now it just launched. You can trade it on DEXs, all right, so via PancakeSwap. It's a BNB chain coin, but also on Maxi and Gate.io. So I'll leave links to their Twitter down in the description and the pinned comment, and then via their Twitter, as you can see here in the pinned post, you can find out how to trade it. I think the best way to trade it right now, I think most liquidity is either on DEX or on Maxi, all right? Liquidity or volume, all right? So check that out. But no, Orbital7 in general, it's a relatively, I think it's an interesting project. I'm not sure if it's going to be revolutionary. That's something you always have to see. And you need to see some sort of development in the price and what they do, etc. But they raised some nice funds also from Seedify, from ORBI, and from Decubate, all great platforms. Some of them are a little bit less good, like Spores Network, OpenPad, CPad, have a little bit of a lesser reputation, but that's part of the deal. Received investments as well by a fund, Castrum Capital, as you can see. And Orbital itself is a project built around the Bitcoin layer, all right? So BRC20, runes, etc. And what they have built and what they are still building is tools for developers building on there. All right, so if you are a developer or if you want to create your own token, create your own project on the Bitcoin network, so with runes, BRC20, and just in general, then what Orbital7 does is they created a tool set that allows you to actually build those decentralized applications or tokens. All right, so for example, they can help with inscriptions, airdrops, token burns, a vesting platform, a fungible lock, MPC wallet, staking pools, all the things that if you are building a project on there, has utility and has value. So the real potential with this project, apart from the fact that they had a great launch already, lays in the fact if these things and if this narrative actually does well in the future. And that's something I still think we have to see. I mean, the whole runes narrative, it's especially in BRC20, did quite well at the start of this year, but it's a very new narrative, and we haven't seen that many success stories from there. So I would say fundamentally, this project, it is actually building something with utility and value. That's great. But the thing it is building utility for, I'm not sure about that. And that's something you will still have to wait for. Now, when we talk about where the possibilities lay here with ORBI, which is the name of the token, or Orbital7, I think we need to wait for some more price action. All right, so right now, the market is also relatively flat. So I would wait either for a continued pullback here, so that you can buy at like a 1.5 or 2x compared to the price actually, compared to the launchpad price, which would be very, very low if you compare that with other launches. So that would be an attractive price for me to buy in. Or I would wait until you see either more bullish market circumstances kick in or a lot of momentum / volume and bullish breakouts technically for Orbi. And that's not the case right now. So right now there's nothing you can do. I would wait it out. I would wait for either some technical confirmations, some bullish breakouts, or for some sort of a market turnaround or a relatively big dump from the prices we are at right now. So that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, I'll leave some links down in the description, so check that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.